Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and watch Reels on Instagram from your computer. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do to watch Reels is of course access Instagram. You do that by searching up Instagram on your browser of choice. You just go www.instagram.com. You can do that in the URL bar as well, and that'll take you to the Instagram login page. All you have to do is simply log into your account and then access your profile, and then you'll be able to do whatever you want on Instagram, just the same as you would on your phone. Now, as you can see, this is my home page. The layout is a bit different from the mobile version. However, it is similar enough that you can go through without any problems. Everything is clearly marked. As you can see, you have your sidebar to the left where you can find all of your needs and all of your needed tools. So if you want to watch Reels, what you need to do is click on Reels, and as you can see, once they load up, you can now watch Reels from your PC. You can mute them or unmute them from the top right. In the bottom left, you'll see the sound, you'll see the caption, you'll see the profile as well as the location, and you also have your tools here at the right hand side. You have the download button. If downloads are allowed for that post, you can like them, comment them, share them, save them, or access the additional post options. As you can see here, you can embed it. You can search about this account some more, and that's pretty much it. You can also click here to access the audio if you want to in an easier fashion, but other than that, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.